Anura and your Golea Sajid, they are going to renegotiate with IMF if by any chance they become to president. So, what are the repercussions if they are going to renegotiate with IMF that our country will face?
Liquidate your company, that's all. So you need the economy. We have come to an agreement with the IMF, ADB, World Bank, the Export-Import Bank of China, and 17 countries. Correct. And this is the framework we've discussed. Now with that we are discussing with the sovereign bondholders. So they've given us benchmarks. Now what are they going to renegotiate? Are they renegotiating the benchmarks? Or are they, what else are they going to renegotiate? Are they going to renegotiate the time span? Or are they going to renegotiate the benchmark? Now it took us over 1 year at a height to get this through. Now how are they going to negotiate with all these countries which will no longer be there? China negotiates separately from the Paris Club. And there were people like India and other countries. We were able to get them into 2 groups. That is, India and all joined the Paris Club. China came separately. But China, we organized in such a way that China also worked together, coordinated with the OCC, OCC coordinated with China. That's the mechanism we have put together. Now that mechanism is gone because it's no longer necessary. We have negotiated, we have put that down, it's up for us to perform. And they have put down the relief they can give. The type of relief China is going, Exim Bank is giving us is different from the type of relief that will be given by the OCC. Then if we go to the sovereign bondholders, that's a different one. In some we are getting, we really will get a space in eliminating or reducing the interest payment. In some, spacing out the time of repayment. Now in other words, if you put all together, you come with Acharu because there's so much put in different places. Now, are they going to do it again? Who is going to do it? Sunil Handunnetti or Harsha Disil? Good luck to you all.